Assalamu alaikum. Za and seen have the same articulation point. Then how they are different? Let's learn in this video. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. In this video, I will tell you what is the difference between za and the seen. Za and seen have the same articulation point and both have the whistle in their sound. But za never gives a airflow while pronouncing, but seen gives a airflow. This make a big difference. But because of the same articulation point, while pronouncing, we may mix it up. Z, s, z, s. The zar, sar, zayara, sayara. Here the word, in the word, when we practice a letter, we understand it well because being a letter, when we practice z, it is easy. But when the letter comes in the word in the beginning, middle, or end, then its pronunciation is difficult. So must practice any confusing letter or new letter through words. Here we write some words so we can understand the pronunciations and their meanings. So while understanding the difference between similar sounds, your vocabulary will also increase. If you really want to pro and you really want to learn, watch the video until the end. The first word is zar. Zar, to visit. Zar, to visit. And sar, to move. And also pursue. It means follow here just like pigeon. Zar, sar, ziyara, ziyara, sayyara. Ziyara, visit. And sayyara, car. Sayyara, car. Zilzal, earthquake. Zilzal, earthquake. Silsal, fresh cold water. Salsal. Zilzal, salsal. Next is mazar, sanctuary. Mazar, masar, path. Zafir, exhalation. Zafir, exhalation. Safir, ambassador. So this is the difference. To practice with me, let's practice again. Zar, ziyarah, zilzal, mazar, zafir. Sar, sayyara, salsal, masar, safir. So while practicing, understand the meaning, comment me in the comment box which is difficult for you. I will help you. You can find them, these examples and more from the Holy Quran in Arabic books. Send me your examples. I will check your work free. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so you know the every new video, and also hit the bell button so you don't miss it and watch it late. Assalamu alaikum.